Hello guys, Dalton here over at Utah Motor Company. This is a video review of our 2000 Ford F-250 XLT. This 7.3 liter is in excellent shape. It's been well cared for over its lifetime and always been garage kept. Still running like it's just off the showroom floor and ready for your family's next getaway. The truck is clean. You're going to have a hard time finding any issue with it. Body is superb, mechanically it's sound, tires have plenty of tread left, interior is clean and comfortable, the truck drives tight, and much more. It's available for sale at any time, and I would love to answer any questions you may have. Come on in today to get behind the wheel or give Clay or myself a call. Thanks for looking at this truck presented by Utah Motor Company.